Welcome to the Vector Academy. What is an operating system? An operating system is software that manages computer hardware and acts as an intermediary between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. The hardware must provide appropriate mechanisms to ensure the correct operation of the computer system and to prevent programs from interfering with the proper operation of the system. Internally, operating systems vary greatly in their makeup, since they are organized along many different lines. It is well-defined system software designed piece by piece, with carefully defined inputs, outputs, and functions.
Thanks for your time. Share it in your circle to help people search less and learn more. Stay tuned to the Vector Academy.